On this episode of In the Kitchen, we're getting loose at Federales. I'm here with Tim Ryll, the beverage director, and he's going to teach me how to make 3 margaritas for National Margarita Day on February 22nd. Cheers! Okay, let's get started with the original margarita.
Get your glassware first, and we will salt the rim for one of these with our tahini salt.
What's in tahini salt to make it special?
All sorts of like herbs and spices. It's salt, a little bit of pepper, a couple other things that I don't even know, but I know it's good and people love it.
Awesome.
Start with your syrups, which is for us, it'll be agave. You do 3/4 ounce. Pretty much any like local Mariano's, Whole Foods, all those places have it. We use dark amber, which is kind of like the uncut, really pure one. So then we got our syrup in there, then we go to our juices. So first we use 3/4 ounces of lemon juice, 1.5 ounces of lime juice.
And at home, you could just actually squeeze a lime and a lemon.
Absolutely.
Right?
Now we got our base products in there. Now we go to the good stuff, the booze. Ounce of Cointreau.
And what flavor does the Cointreau?
It's an orange liqueur, still 80 proof, so nice and strong. Tequila, which we use El Jimador, 100% blue agave.
Are there any types of tequilas you shouldn't use?
You always want to do 100% blue agave. That's kind of like the gold standard. There are ones called mixto, which means they throw all kinds of like whatever sugar cane they have, which are kind of like the ones in college that got all hung over. You want to stay away from
the
those.
yellow ones?
Yes. Now it's ice time. And then our shaker. Shake super important. You want the whole bar to hear it. Ice starts to chip away. You know you're done.
Beautiful.
And then we finish with our lime wedge garnish. Boom. So that is our classic margarita.
Looks delicious. So let's say I am getting swole, but I still want a margarita. Do you have something for me for that?
For sure. So anyone who still wants to, have a drink, alcohol, all that good stuff without the, the calories, we have a skinny margarita. We're gonna walk you through it.
Okay.
So the biggest thing you need, of course, is a jigger, so we know what we're doing.
Got it.
So the first thing you're gonna do, 1 ounce of lime juice.
So you never just eyeball things?
No, unless it's like a Tito soda. I mean, then you're fine. So right in there.
Maybe that's my problem at
Cool.
home.
Perfect. And now we go to our booze. So we're gonna do 1 ounce, just like you did there, of Cointreau. Same line.
Now I really feel like Tom Cruise in Cocktail.
He's the best.
Can I throw this bottle in the air?
Please don't.
Okay.
Tequila, El Jimador. So this is 2 ounces.
Maybe just a little bit beyond that middle
If
line.
you'd like, no problem.
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect. Ice her up. All right, awesome. So now you're halfway there. So now we grab our bar spoon. This is the hardest part. Bartenders make it look kind of easy, but it's a little difficult. No wrist. It's all in the fingers. So put it in here and you just stir just like this. Stay along the end there. That's actually very good.
Yeah, see, I have some experience bartending.
Awesome. Top it with sparkling mineral water, so Topo Chico. Lightly top it.
Lightly.
Boom, perfect. A couple more gentle stirs, as we like to say.
I'm liking this.
Yeah, there you go. Just finish it off with a lime wheel and you're good to go.
Yes.
That's it, you're done.
Thank you. This is very good.
Just super light.
Yeah.
So you take out the syrup so you don't have any sweetness really, and then the effervescence of sparkling water, obviously a lot lighter since it's less in it.
So we've done the original and we've done the skinny.
Yep.
Let's say it's the dead of winter in Chicago and we want to feel like we're at the beach.
That would be our mango margarita, our classic, and then you mix in our mango puree, 1 ounce, and you are good to go.
Beautiful.
We are ready to rock.
It really does taste like the beach. Thank you so much.
You got it, thanks for coming.
Yeah.